Hey, welcome back everybody, it's Zero Designs here, and I've made another video. Here we go. Are you excited? I'm excited. See another fail. That's on me. You know, I keep my notifications on while the video goes, but welcome back if you've been here before. If you haven't, hope you come back. Hope I don't scare you. Wouldn't be surprised if I did either, but nonetheless, I am on video number 6, 3 this week, and you guys are like, what do you mean 3? We haven't even seen them yet. Well, I haven't put them up line. Well, they're going to be, okay? I'm going to try and do a schedule. I've prepared for scheduleness and all that good stuff. But while we're enjoying the lovely background and all that enjoyment and colorfulness and, ooh, you know what? I gotta leave it for a surprise, because that's my intro too. If you haven't noticed, let's go into the intro.
Follow me, this is what you're waiting for.
And that should give enough time for the cut. Hopefully I did. Whew, I don't know. So, if you haven't noticed, what you're seeing right now kind of looks a lot like the intro. Well, this was actually me designing the intro before I even got to that part, you know, put it on video. It's like 30 videos in, I've already had the intro. Why am I just now showing it? Well, I was doing a couple videos on logo, and I was like, you know what, I'm going to do a new channel banner. I got really excited about the channel banner, and so I did the intro or logo as well. I already had the main Zero Designs logo, and I wanted some nice little background. Apparently at this moment, I was slightly confused on what to do next. So it looks like nothing's happening. Okay, there we go. Video's working. Woo! Here I am thinking, what did I do to the video? What happened here? There are times when you either take a break or you try and test stuff. So even sped up, it looks like I didn't do anything for a minute, which is qualifyingly probably true. I didn't really do anything, but that's okay. It's okay, I didn't do anything. I'm fine. You're fine. You're watching this. You're like, I like the colors. I like the blending. So this for me was a lot of fun. I enjoy doing a lot of colors and mainly backgrounds and stuff like that. Then I use it for the intro, and yeah, that's what I'm going to use for however long. I do get kind of, what's the word? I don't know the word. But it's basically where I can't seem to pick something for a long period of time. So the channel banner you see this month will probably not be the same one you see next month or the month after. I'm just that kind of guy. I'm like, you know what? I can design new stuff anytime I want to, so I might as well, right? Right. Because I don't have to pay anybody to do the same thing. Yippee! So I said why did I say I don't know. I kind of lose track every time I'm talking, you know. I'm like, I had these thoughts, I thought they would be good, and you guys are like, why do we even have to watch this? You don't have to watch this, you're just doing it. I don't know. If while you're there, you might as well hit the like button. You might as well share it. Might as well subscribe. Got nothing better to do, right? You already subscribed to thousands of other people that you don't watch their stuff because you don't have time. I mean, I'm serious. I'm subscribed to 40, 50 people on my account that I use for stuff now. And quite honestly, I watch some YouTube. But otherwise, I'm busy over here doing the videos, so I don't have time to watch them. So I ain't no good subscriber. I'm terrible. But if you're going to watch anyways, you might as well. You hit the button, you know, because that's clearly helpful. Along with the little bell thing. That's also helpful. Not really, but do it anyways, because I hit the camera. Okay. If you heard like a thud, that was my hand. I'm waving it around frantically, and it just smacked it. And you guys are like, you spent the last 5 minutes saying you should subscribe and blah, 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 blah. And yet you haven't even talked about what's going on in the video. Listen, it was channel banner, and now we switched over to thumbnails. So video 4 and video 5. We're doing the thumbnails for it. I figured, you know what, I needed a little bit longer space of a video than just the channel banner, because that didn't take actually that long, which was cool. I'm glad it didn't take that long. So this is kind of a little weird for you guys, right? Like, you used to seeing me draw and hand draw like every little thing that I do on here, and it's like, wait, what's this? This seems like he actually is paying attention. It looks more like design. Well, guess what? I kind of blend it. Remember, I've told you, if you haven't been here, maybe you should check those videos out. The way I tell you that I'm crazy. I didn't think I needed to tell anybody that because they already knew, but why not? And you know what? You know what the worst part about this is? If you see the little memoji in the top corner, you know, I have to like go over this later and trying to repeat the words I already did. And it's gonna be like my voice, and the little memoji's gonna freak out because he ain't gonna know what to do. It's like I can't keep track of how many words that kid speaks. He talks too much. Well, I got a better outlet. This is a good way for me to talk, and that's what I'm doing. I'm doing it because it's fun. Just like the art. Art is fun. I enjoyed doing this. I really do enjoy going between the normal artwork and the design artwork and blending them together or whatever. Or maybe it's just normal. I don't know, but I enjoy it, so I do it. And then I make content, and then I post on YouTube. Because I'm extra crazy, and I'm posting on Instagram like all these stuff, and I still need to do projects like I'm going to get this video done, and maybe I'm going to draw something for tonight, and I got to post something for Instagram, and I got to do this and that and the other, and I don't care because it's fun. I'm going to schedule these out. My schedule, tentatively, if you guys are paying attention this long, congratulations. Bonus points for you. Don't add them up because I don't know. But let's just say 6 points because it's the video 6. So there you go. Keep track if you want. Might do more, might not. See how many you can guess right. Or you can just make up an imaginary number 10 videos from now. Like 2012. You know, 2012 is a year. Why am I saying it? It's like I made up a new word. And I'm like, yeah, it does actually happen. Where was I? I don't know. I've lost track. I'm sorry. I do that often. It's like my head just spins around in a little circle, and I don't know what I'm gonna. You know, you just spit fire like it's something coming creatively, and I enjoyed it. And what I was going on? It was like a whole topic. Man, I understand why people cut out stuff when you watch YouTube videos because you don't really know what happens, and that's why they do scripts, so it actually sounds legible. And you guys had to waste this much time observing, and we never even got to the answer to the statement, so you might as well leave a comment telling me what the heck I forgot, and maybe I'll reply. Maybe I won't. Don't know when you watched it, so best of luck. Either way, I'm going to finish out this video or finish out my portion of it. In the background, you can see I was having a lot of trouble trying to remove the face from the background. And when I did, it was like, yes, I got it. But I actually had to pause stuff. I had to stop what I was doing, look up how to do this. Because I used to do it in Photoshop. I'm not used to doing it in Affinity Designer or Affinity Photo. Both are good programs. I just didn't know what I needed to do. And I'm like, I'm selecting it. Now what? Copy and paste. Wait, that didn't do it. Do this. So it's like freezing. Does it see? Look, I'm not even making a video. It's just a picture, right? Don't have to do videos. Just shiny a picture right there, you know? But yeah, man, I was like, man, women, anybody who's watching, I don't know, don't take it anything. Cause I'm just saying stuff, you know, man, woman, people. I mean, can you believe it? Like, I just, oh, I'm going off the deep end. Can't you tell? I'm gonna listen to this later and be like, why did I do all this? Why did I talk so much? Man, there goes the thought process and train again. I really need to go on to that, but I really enjoyed figuring out how to fix my situation. Once I fixed it, I was like, ooh, this is easy. And I know how to do it for the next thumbnail that I'm going to do. And even for the 6th thumbnail, which I don't know if I'm going to make a video on that. May or may not. Maybe I'll blend it or do an episode. But, oh, tentatively, the schedule. Yes, that's what we were trying to talk about at some point. Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, for right now, would be like the schedule I would like to put out there for everybody. So, yeah, every week I'd like to have those videos up on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. If I get to the point where I know how to make enough material constantly, often, and maybe I'll do 4 days, and, you know, Maybe in a very, very far future, I'll do it every day. But that would be very crazy, more crazy than I already am. And I am unsure if I have that kind of energy. I don't even know if I have that kind of energy now to do like one video, let alone multiple videos. And I'm just like, maybe. Maybe I know what I'm doing. Maybe not. So this is thumbnail number 2. It's kind of closing up the video here a little bit. Now I figured out how to do this. This was easy as pie. It was like, oh, I know how to get the image out of the thing like I wanted it to. Now, if only I could remove the background, for the actual video. I know there is a way. I'm just not that smart, or I am not smart, and I don't really care to figure it out. Because that seems like a more pain in the butt situation than I'm already in to make these videos, because I'm on it extra complicated. The guy in the right is extra complicated. Is he in the right? Let me look. Okay, yeah, he's in the right, because it would be the right and not the left hand. I really don't know what the heck I'm talking about half the time, and you guys are like, we are never watching another video of his. I wouldn't blame you. Hopefully you do not watch me. Is that right? Not what do? I don't know. Thank you so much, though. I'm getting out of here. I'm saying goodbye. This is the end for my portion.